Alright, here we are with some what they call Boston butt, tongue butt. Just cracking this open. These came in 2 packs. These are bone in. They have a small bone here. I just like intact bone in. Easier to work. I believe it's sweeter meat with the bone in. Okay. Boston butt. And there's the cap. That's how I'm going to put it in the smoker with the cap side up. Beautiful meat. It's going to be an all-day project. Boston butt, folks. Boston butt. And another butt in this car back here. Beautiful. All right.